Hey everyone, this is Kevin with Also DIY, and here's a little stand I made for my ANOVA Sous Vide machine. So what is a sous vide machine and what does it do? Well, sous vide is a method of cooking where you cook something, typically meats, in a water bath at a precise temperature. The machine circulates the water and keeps it at a constant temperature and cooks the item evenly and ensuring that the inside is properly cooked without overcooking the outside. What I like about the ANOVA Sous Vide cooker is that there's an app you can download, and with the app, you select the item you want to cook, set your preference of tenderness and texture, and it tells you what temperature to cook it at and for how long. Now, I'm not the greatest cook and I tend to have trouble cooking chicken breast. My chicken always comes out either overcooked, dry and tough, or it comes out undercooked and not edible. So with the sous vide, I can make chicken that's super tender, moist, and juicy every single time. And as a woodworker or DIYer, we like things that we can make that is accurate and repeatable. So that's why I guess we like to make jigs and things like that for the repeatability. So in a sense, I guess this is like a jig for cooking. Well, I won't go over too much detail on how to use one, but I'll leave a link in the description to a channel that I follow with much more information. My sous vide machine sits on my kitchen counter and is a bit awkward. It doesn't stand on itself and the cord is a bit of a tangled mess. So I wanted to make a stand for it, and I also made this little notch for the cord so it can be wrapped and tucked nice and neatly. So let's start.